throw away. To discard something as waste. She threw away the old magazines. He threw away the spoiled food. Throw away the broken toys. Wipe off. To clean a surface by wiping. Wipe off the fingerprints from the glass. She wiped off the dust from the shelf. He wiped off the mud from his shoes. Rinse off. To remove soap or dirt using water. Rinse off the dishes before putting them in the dishwasher. She rinsed off the vegetables. Please rinse off the car. Dry off. To remove moisture from something. She dried off his hair after the shower. Dry off the dishes with a towel. Please dry off the car after washing. Shine up. To make something shine by polishing. Shine up the silverware for the party. He shined up the car. Please shine up the mirrors. Pack away. To store something safely. Pack away the winter clothes. She packed away the holiday decorations. He packed away the camping gear. Whip up. To prepare food quickly. Whip up some eggs for breakfast. She whipped up a quick dinner. He whipped up a batch of cookies. Put together. To assemble or create something. Put together the new furniture. He put together a model airplane. She put together a scrapbook. Put down. To stop holding something and place it on a surface. Please put down your phone during dinner. She put down her cup of tea. Put down the heavy box. Fix up. To repair or renovate something. She fixed up the garden. He fixed up the broken chair. Please fix up the leaky faucet. Sort out. To arrange or organize things. She sorted out the plates in the dishwasher for proper spacing. He sorted out the tools in the garage. Please sort out the laundry before washing. Clear out. To remove unnecessary items. She cleared out her closet. Please clear out the old files. Clear out the garage. Top up. To add more to something that is low. She topped up the oil in the car. Top up the sugar container. Please top up the water pitcher. Get rid of. To dispose of something unwanted. He got rid of the expired food in the fridge. Get rid of the old newspapers. She got rid of the broken toys. Put up. To place something on a higher surface or attach it to a wall. Put up the new curtains in the living room. She put up a shelf in her bedroom. He put up a new picture frame. Scrape off. To remove something from a surface by scraping. The girl scraped off the burnt food from the stove. She scraped off the old paint from the wall. He scraped off the sticker residue. Run over. To go over something quickly or briefly. Run over the shopping list to make sure we have everything. She ran over her notes before the meeting. Please run over the instructions once more. Load up. Shup. To fill a machine or container with items. Load up the dishwasher with the dirty dishes. He loaded up the washing machine. She loaded up the car with groceries.